everybody, and welcome to another video with me, Ro, from Scalpel and Stem. In this video, we're going to be covering a basic explant disinfection process. Additionally, we'll be doing a variegation experiment on Monstera Deliciosa Albo Variegata. So let's get started. So let me introduce you to the first of our two explants. This is Melissa. As you can see, this is a Monstera Deliciosa Albo Variegata. But none of the leaves have a lot of white on them. So we're going to go ahead and TC this. And if you've watched the channel for a while, this is the explant that actually produced the half moon in previous videos. So you'll see the stem still has a fair bit of striping, but we just never see it on her leaves. This is Morticia. I didn't intend to cut this albo, as I grew it from a node myself a couple of years ago, and the variegation is absolutely gorgeous. However, there's a little bit of neglect, so I've got these brown leaves between these original leaves and the lovely top that we have going. So I figured we'd go ahead and TC her as well. As you'll see, the striping on her stem is a lot whiter. I've prepared 2 jars that just contain Dawn dish soap, a stir bar, and lukewarm water. This will be the first step of the disinfection process. I've washed and sprayed my hands and tools with alcohol. You want to make sure when cutting a top cut that you have healthy leaves and that you cut between the nodes. Here's the top cut. And then I spray my tool again. And I've cut the bottom as well. I've sprayed my tools with isopropyl alcohol again. I'm removing all the leaves to get down to the stem, which is the only part that will be useful in tissue culture. Additionally, I'm going to cut the large aerial root. You'll want to trim pieces throughout the disinfection process, so don't cut too closely just yet. I spray and disinfect everything again before I move on to the next plant. Again, I'm removing the leaves and aerial roots. I've now placed each of my cuttings in the soapy water on stir plates and put it on a slow stir. Now that my explants have been in the soapy water for an hour, I'm going to transfer them to jars that contain 1% Clorox bleach and a tiny drop of Tween 20. I've restarted my stir bars to slowly stir, and I reset my timer for an hour. My timer's gone off, so I'm now going to move my explants from the Clorox bleach solution into purified water, either deionized or reverse osmosis. This is to help prevent chlorine uptake. And I'll set my timer for 5 minutes. I've now prepared jars with hydrogen peroxide, and I'll be transferring my explants from the purified water into the hydrogen peroxide and starting the stir plates again. I'm now wearing gloves and getting my fume hood ready for the last part of the process. I'm now transferring the explants from the hydrogen peroxide solution into purified water. I prepared 2 beakers in my hood. The first is a 10% bleach solution for the sterilization of my tools. The second is a Physane 20 solution. I have my cutting board and my tools, and I'm going to turn my fume hood on. So here are our lovely little cultures all lined up. We were able to get 6 nodes from Morticia and 4 from Melissa. So that's a basic disinfection process. It won't work for all species and genus, but it is a good place to start. Thanks for watching!